Step by step, let's go explore through secret lands and something more. What's that sound? What's that tone? Could it be the E-zone?
Not again, Arjun! You and your songs! Please, don't start singing. It's hurting my ears.
Jenny, I know this place. I think we've entered the E-zone.
E-zone? What's that supposed to be?
In the E-zone, most things start with the letter E.
Letter E? You mean the one that sounds like E for elephant, E for emu, emu, even E for eggs. Eggs?
Exactly. E for Ellie the elephant. My big, brave buddy from this very zone.
Okay, that's pretty cool. But, look Arjun, there's a fallen tree blocking the path.
Let's move it together. Oh no, it's too heavy. Think.
Why not call your friend Ellie? You said he's big and strong, right?
Yes, good thinking. Here goes.
Ellie, Ellie, big and kind, help us out, we're in a bind. Trumpet loud and stomp with might, guide us through with all your might.
That sounds like Arjun. Could he be in trouble? Let's find out. Arjun, what's going on? I heard you calling.
This tree's blocking our way, and it's too heavy for us.
No problem for me. Step aside, friends.
Wow, Ellie, you're amazing!
Hop on my back. I'll show you around the E-zone.
Yay! Come on, Jenny, let's ride.
Look over there. E for emu. He's busy eating and doesn't notice a thing.
Whoa! That emu is really hungry.
Today was great, I ate and ate, crunchy bugs my tasty plate. Now to rest in my soft nest, friends will help, they're the best.
Where are my eggs? It seems like someone stole them. My precious eggs are all gone. Who would do such a thing? Don't they know stealing is wrong, even as a joke?
Shh! I hear something. That's Eggie. She's in trouble.
E for Eggie? Wait, could that be E for eagle too?
We cannot just stand here. Ellie, let's hurry. Time to go to Eggie's rescue.
Let's go.
What happened? Why the tears? My eggs are gone. I just stepped out for a quick snack and now they've disappeared.
Don't worry, Eggie. We'll find them together.
Teamwork time? Let's search every nook and cranny.
Search the grass, peek under stone, find the eggs, don't go alone. Some are blue and some are gold, crack the clues, be brave and bold.
Look, I found one hiding in the grass.
I see one under the stone.
Found one more near the bush. Let's bring 'em home.
Thank you. You're the best. Let's be friends forever.
We learned so much today. Like E says.
Egg, egg, egg.
E for elephant, E for eggs, E for emu, E for eagle, and E for being excellent friends.
And we also learned stealing isn't funny. Even as a joke, it can hurt others.
And we've learned that when you help others, your heart overflows with friendship and joy, richer than any treasure.
You all have a special place here in the E-zone, where true friends stand together no matter what.
Come back soon, don't delay, more letter lands await someday. Until then, be kind and true.